So hey guys, how are you? And welcome to our channel in Bindas English. Today the topic is about present perfect tense. So in our previous video we have learned about present continuous tense, its use, importance and rules also. And today we will learn about present perfect tense, use, importance and rules. So let's start. So now we will learn that what is our present perfect tense. So let's know that what is present perfect tense. So to describe any action which has just been over in the present time is always related with present perfect tense. For just example is that I have finished my food, and somebody says that I have finished my food. He is trying to say that this tense and belonging to present perfect tense, and this sentence is just describing the situation which has just been over. Now we will learn the identification of present perfect tense, that how we can identify any type of sentence in the word, that whether the sentence is belonging to present perfect tense or not. So whenever there will be चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है, गया है, गई है, with main verb of the sentence, whenever there will be चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है added with the main verb of the sentence, we will understand that this sentence is belong to present perfect tense. And now we will get an example in which we will clarify that मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. Yes, there is चुका है related and added with main verb of the sentence, that is खा. So I have eaten the food is describing the situation in present perfect tense. So now we are able to describe any sentence. Now we are able to identify any sentence, that whether the sentence is belonging to present perfect tense or not. So there is some tricky news in the newspaper during the lockdown period. I am hoping that you are enjoying the lockdown period, and actually I want to clarify you people that I have read the newspaper. Yes, I have completed this work in present time, and I just want to show you that whenever you want to describe any situation which has just been over, you can take the present perfect tense in your words. So now we are going to do the main thing of this sentence tense, that is about the rules of present perfect tense. So now we will clarify in this time that what is the rule to make any sentence in present perfect tense. That you all know that subject is necessary in all the sentences, and plus has and have and plus verbs third form always whenever there will be perfect tense, whether the tense is belonging to future, past or present, there will be verbs third form, and also the object will be there. And some of the friends will confuse in has or have, that where we can use this has or have with any sentence. So I will clarify you that whether and where you can use this has or have. So whenever there will be he, she, it, Rita, Sita, any noun which is related to singular person, we will use has in that place. And whenever there will be I, we, you, they, etc., plural persons, there will be have with the subject. So now I am going to take some examples that is related with present perfect tense, in which you are clarifying more easily. That first example is that he has gone to London. That we are talking about that वह लंदन जा चुका है. That work has been just over, and we are describing that he has gone to London. And in our second example, that we have played the hockey. हम hockey खेल चुके हैं. This sentence is also saying that this work has been just over. And now you will clarify more easily that where we will use has or have also. Whenever the subject is related with singular person he, we will use has, and whenever the whenever the subject will be plural like we will use have with the subject. So now we will learn that how we can make negative sentences in present perfect tense. So there is very easy rules in which you can make any sentence in negative in present perfect tense. Just as there will be subject is necessary, as you all know, has, have is also you know, and one thing we will add just about that, just after the has, have main verb we will use not, because we are getting the situation in negative, and verbs third form as you all know, and object as you know very well. So I have taken an example in which you clarify more easily, and here that example, that I have not played the hockey, that this is saying that this situation is getting into negative. So if we want to describe any situation in negative, we will take negative sentence of present perfect tense. So here I have taken an example that I have not played the hockey. I am getting this situation in negative. So मैं hockey नहीं खेल चुका हूँ. So that is the main thing which you will remember, and if you want to do any sentence in negative, you will use these rules in present perfect tense. So have you taken the mask? I am just questioning to someone, and to describe this type of questions, and which has been just over, to describe this kind of situations we will use the present perfect tense interrogative rules. That what is the rule? Let's take a look. That has, have first in the place of subject, and subject will convert in the place of has or have, and plus verbs third form, and plus object, and do not forget the question marks while we are making interrogative sentence, whether the tense is belonging to past, future or present. So I have taken one example to clarify you, and the example is that have you eaten the food? I am questioning to someone else that have you eaten the food, that क्या आप खाना खा चुके हैं? To ask these type of question to someone, we will use the rule of present perfect tense, in which we will do. So now one more kind of sentence, that is about interrogative plus negative. If we want to describe any situation that is negative and interrogative, we are putting the question also, and we are getting the situation negative also. So we will use the rule of present perfect tense as this manner, that has, have plus subject, after that not, and then verbs third form plus object and question mark also, because this is interrogative negative. So I have taken an example in which you will clarify that have you not eaten the food. In our negative sentence we have just added have you eaten the food. We were putting the question, but in this sentence we are getting the situation in negative also, that have you not eaten the food, क्या आप खाना नहीं खा चुके हैं. So describe these kind of situation, these kind of sentences, we will use the rule of interrogative negative sentence in present perfect tense like this manner. So I hope that you have learned in this topic about present perfect tense, and from today you will able to describe any situation that the action that just has been over. And today I have little bit fever, but in fact I have made a video for you, and if you like this video, please comment in the comment section that what we can enhance our next videos, and you can hit the I button to get our past videos also, in which we have done about present indefinite, continuous, and today perfect tense. And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and supporting us. Thank you very much.